Good morning, everyone. Welcome to April 11th Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, President of Invested Central. Right now, we get the Dow futures up 85, S&P futures are up 10, and NASDAQ futures are up 19. Asian shares were mixed while European shares were higher overnight. Futures were actually pointing to a higher open Tuesday as the bulls were hoping to stop the recent bleeding. The market started out slow, but that changed quickly, with sellers overwhelming the buyers. By the time the market had closed lower for the fifth session in a row. Today, the Fed will release its beige book at 2 o'clock p.m. There are no key earnings reports due out today. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day at 1392, the 50-day at 1372, and the 200-day at 1270. The S&P closed at 1358 with support at 1343 and resistance at 1392. The bears suddenly have a grip on the market, now down 5 days in a row and inflicting some technical damage on the market Tuesday. We've talked about the importance of the S&P holding its 50-day moving average, but it wasn't able to do so Tuesday. So now 1343 is in sight unless the bulls are able to turn things around quickly here. If so, the first step will be to recapture the 50-day, now at 1371. Until then, the bears get the near-term nod. Alcoa reported after the bell on Tuesday, easily exceeding expectations. Could Alcoa's results actually spark a market rally here? We'll get Google's numbers after the bell on Thursday, and if solid, things might get interesting. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another Market Minute.